Hey there. So we're treating the construction of angles. But first, before you can construct these angles, you must have a pair of compass, a ruler, and a protractor to measure these angles. So let's start. First, draw the angle 90 degrees. So we just pin at the point at a convenient radius. We arc. Extend this line I've extended that line. So we stand on this point, open to a convenient radius other than the radius. You arc. You come and stand at this point. You arc. Where they intersect, we draw a straight line from this point B to where they intersect. So let's draw a straight line. So we've constructed an angle 90 degrees. Let's measure. $90. You can see that this 90 degrees. So we have this to be 90 degrees. So this is how we construct an angle 90 degrees, the angle 90 degrees. So let's go on and solve for angle 60. So we draw a straight line of point, let's say E and M, representing EM links. We open a convenient radius. We are constructing angle 60. We arc. Come and stand on this edge, this end, and arc with the same radius. You pick your rule and your pencil from the point M to the arced point, the point we've arced. Make sure they are intersecting. We have this. So this angle is angle 60. Let's measure and confirm that it's 60 degrees. And point. Let's make the line straight. Make sure this edge touches the line, same as this end. And the midpoint over here, you see you have exactly 60. So this is the accurate way of drawing angles. So let's go to angle 45. Let's construct angle 45. So we draw a straight line. We mark our point, let's say normal AB. 45 at point A. Let's make it B. So we arc. So we come stand on the B and we arc. Pick your rule, extend the line. So how can you get the angle 45? That's 90 divided by 2. So we pick another convenient radius. Sorry. Stand on this point where they both intersect. We draw a straight line. But this will be short dashes because it's not the angle 90 we are interested in. It's angle 45. So once we have the 45, the 90 degrees, we stand on the 90 degrees arc because we're about to divide 90 degrees into 2 to get 45. So we arc, comes down here, we arc again. Therefore, we have this point, we dip this point. This one having 45 because 90 divided by 2 is 45. Let's measure and confirm. So we have the line touching both sides, 90, 45. But we had eyes to be 44. That's close to 45, but it's not 45 yet. But it's accurate. Are you getting it? We are precise. So let's go to 120. Angle 120. So we have this to be. We draw a straight line. We mark our point, say A and B. And always know that when I'm giving big numbers or numbers greater than 90, we know that it will come this right. It will come right to this B part, depending on where we are drawing our arc. So we have, let me open it. We have this arc. Because it's 120, 120 is 180 minus 60. So it comes down here at this point and we arc. The same as drawing for the 60. We stand on point B, come here, we draw. This angle is the 120. So we have angle 120 here. So let's measure and confirm. The point, touch, 120. We have 119. That's close to 120. I'm getting it. So once you measure this angle here, you get 120 because 180 minus 60 is 120. And from here, 0. Counting from down here, because it's a mark 0, 10, 20, 30 down to 120. Are you getting it? So depending on the angle and where your point is, you will determine where the angle must be. So let's try constructing angle 30 degrees. Angle 30 degrees. So in constructing angle 30 degrees, let's draw a straight line. Have a point A and B. But at this point, you will draw it on the point A. So, convenient radius, we arc. So, where do you think the angle 30 will be? Left or right? This will be on the right side because we measure from this point coming this way. Are you getting it? So we have this to be. And 30 is 60 divided by 2. So always put the numbers which these angles 90, 60. The rest just addition of or subtraction of these 90 and 60 angle and division. So once we have this, we have this. Two short dashes because we have the 60. And then once we divide it by 2, we stand on this point we pick another radius, we arc. We stand on this intersection, we arc. Where these 2 points meet, we draw a straight line, we measure. This angle will definitely give us 30 degrees. So let's arc and see. Let's measure, sorry. So, 0, exactly 30. Exactly 30 degrees. I don't want to forge it, yes. It's 30 degrees. So let's try solving for angle 75. Angle 75. How can we draw for angle 75? Let's pick a straight line, horizontal line. Pick our point. Let's say A and B. 75 at B. So try guessing. What numbers do we need? We can have 60 plus 15, 90 minus 15, 30 minus 40, 30 plus 45. But the most easy one is 90 minus 15. So let's try this. Angle 75. So we first arc because we need the angle 60 because it's the same radius. Once you're done with that, let's draw hidden lines. Short dashes, sorry. And draw angle 90. Open a big radius. Arc comes down on this point. The arc. The same B, short dashes because we are after angle 75. That's between this. Note that this angle here is 30 because we have 60. 60 plus 30 will give you 90 degrees. We're about to bisect this arc, this angle here. So any radius, we arc the same radius at 60. We arc. The intersection will give us the angle 75 degrees. .75 degrees. So let's try and measure using our protractor. .75. Are you getting it? So what angle do you want us to solve again? You have more examples you can treat.